So guys, this is part 4 and we are unboxing this now. So this is so satisfying. Oh my gosh. Let's see. There's a paper! Yo, what's that? Criminal bombastic side eye. My God, right? So hard to open and so hard to be a blogger. If you are like nothing, if you don't have nothing. So guys, meron tayong there, may Lola is coming. It's okay. Guys, pwede okay lang. Nandito Lola ko. How to open? Kaya may lipstick ako kasi kahit yung dito. Dahil may kumain ako ng dragon fruit. Comment section. Mag-comment kayo kung favorite nyo ba ang water. Yung ano guys. Yung dragon fruit. Alam nyo ba yung Italian brain rot? Hindi na yung trending eh. Guys, yung ano, yung iba nagtitiktok guys. Ang hirap na. Shwala. Oh my gosh. I need to. So guys, this one, the key. So this will help us. Okay, I'll get the another scissors. So this one is the scissors. Oh my God, guys. So there's only so guys, we are now able to open again.